Welcome to Cryptomus channel. Today we will tell you about our service in detail. Cryptomus is perfect for both B2C and B2B segments. We have a personal wallet and a business wallet for that. Let's first look at our interface. On the left side of the screen, under the two types of wallets, we have the list of supported coins. As you can see, we have TRX on our balance. If we go a little lower, we can see the Show More button, clicking on which brings up a full list of available coins in front of us. If you are interested in a token which is not available, just enter its name into the search box of this menu and click on Request to add more coin or token, and then enter all the necessary data for addition. And within 24 hours, the token will be displayed in your wallet. Below, you find a list of active merchants. You can create and delete them here. So initially, we are in the personal wallet. In the central part of the interface, you can see the balance. It's displayed in dollars, and in the upper right corner, there are a few buttons. 1. The button to switch between light-dark themes. 2. Notification Center. 3. Button to change the language. 4. Personal Account, which has a Settings button and Log Out. Under the balance, we see 4 buttons: Receive, Withdraw, Transfer, Convert. Let's start in order. By clicking on Receive, you can enter the data receiving payments to your Cryptomus wallet. Then choose the desired cryptocurrency and network, and below you will get the payment link and QR code. Withdraw. In this section, you can transfer your funds to any other wallet. But if you transfer to the Cryptomus wallet of another user, you will be able to do it without any commission. So, we choose the currency, enter the wallet address, choose a network, enter the necessary amount of cryptocurrency for transfer, and then we press Transfer and it's done. The transfer feature allows you to send the currency to your Cryptomus business wallet. Everything is simple. Select the token you need, enter the amount, and press the transfer button. Convert. Here are the two options for cryptocurrency trading: Market and Limit. The Market tab allows us to instantly exchange cryptocurrencies at the current market rate. It's pretty simple. Choose a currency pair. We enter the amount. In this window, we immediately see the rate at which the conversion will be made. Click on Convert. Done. Now consider the Limit tab. Here you can specify the rate at which you want to exchange currencies and the time of validity of the exchange order. In the Convert History tab, you can see the status of all transactions and use filters if necessary. Below, you can view the history of transactions using convenient filters. Select the desired type of transaction and time period, find a transaction by its hash, or make an upload to the mail. You can also use the TRX staking section. You just move your cursor on TRX and click on the right icon, and the staking section will appear. Here we see 2 tabs. One of them is Stake, the other, Stake History. In the Stake tab in the available field, to enter the desired number of tokens, you must enter only whole numbers. It's the most important thing. Then select a validator. At the moment, you can choose Binance, and after, click Confirm and Done. Please note that the minimum time for staking is 3 days. In the second tab, you can see the history of staking. It is divided into 2 sections. On the left, there is a section with the rewards you received during your staking time, and on the right is an Unstake button that allows you to terminate it and withdraw your funds back into your wallet. Now let's move to the business wallet. There is an API documentation button at the top. Click on it to read API integration instructions. To use full functionality, you have to create a merchant by pressing the button below the coin section on the left side of the screen. If you already have one, your business wallet menu will look like this. The transfer feature allows you to transfer money to a personal wallet, and the Payment by Link button permits you to choose a merchant and generate an invoice or link to a static wallet. An invoice is more suitable for a single payment for services or goods. How invoice works. You choose the necessary merchant, select the type of currency, fiat or crypto, and enter the amount. Then you sign the name of the order and enter the type of cryptocurrency in which your client will pay, or leave the field empty so that the client can pay in any convenient way. Below, you can choose how long the link will be valid, from 1 to 3 hours. The static wallet allows you to generate a permanent link to the payment in the cryptocurrency of your choice. In this case, you do not need to enter a specific amount. The client enters the price of the payment. Now look at the rest of the Merchant Business Wallet interface. In Tab 1, you can see the history of actions in a wallet. In Statistics, you can see your wallet turnovers. In Settings, you can generate an API key, choose the exchange rate, and set up a list of coins used by the merchant. Next comes AutoConvert. This is a feature of our wallet. Since cryptocurrencies are volatile assets, you can enable auto-conversion of any incoming token into stablecoin. You just need to move the slider. Conversion will be done without commission at the rate you choose in the settings. And the last point, information about commissions for coins withdrawal within their networks. Now you've learned about the features of our wallet. Subscribe to the channel to get more useful information.